भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। सेकंड कारिका पेज नंबर 30। दक्षिणाक्षिमुखे विश्वो मनस्यन्तस्तु तैजसः आकाशे च हृदि प्राज्ञस्त्रिधा देहे व्यवस्थितः। So the purpose of this karika is to show that Vishwa, Taijasa and Prajna, all three are available in waking state itself, in Jagrat Avastha. So we should not feel that Vishwa is available only in waking, Taijasa is available only in dream, Prajna is available only in Sushupti. And how this is possible? So last time I had mentioned, Vishwa is the one who is Sthula Bhuk, experiencing Sthula Vishaya by being Bahirmukha. Taijasa is the one who is Antarmukha. So, without using sense organs and external sense objects, just with the help of mind, when we experience, then we are Taijasa. And in Samadhi, where I have withdrawn from my mental activities, from my thought process, this is called mind withdrawn in the heart. So then we are not available to external world also, and we are not in the internal world also. We are not caught up in any thoughts. So you just take example of yourself only. Let's say you sit in your room and you are not interacting with external objects. All your sense organs are quiet, and your mind is also very calm. No thoughts are going on. Then you are Ananda Bhuk. You are only experiencing Ananda. This is Prajna. Now, if somebody says, what if I don't go in Samadhi? Will I not get this Prajna Avastha? So, will I not have identification with Prajna? So, remember, identification with Prajna is always there for all in Sushupti. We don't have to put forth any other effort for identification with Prajna in Sushupti. For identification with Prajna in Jagrat, if we want to do, then we have to go in Samadhi. Samadhi means, I am using the word Samadhi, but don't think of Samadhi as some mystic thing. When sense organs are not extroverted, when mind is also not active, and you are experiencing Ananda, that you can get in Jagrat. That is identification with Prajna. And if it doesn't happen, for a lot of people who are not sadhakas, that state is not available. So then they have to rely only on Sushupti. But those who are sadhakas, for them only all options are available. So this is how we should understand. Now, see Tika on page 30, sixth line from bottom. Brahadaranyaka shrutehe udahृतायाः तात्पर्यार्थम आह. Brahadaranyaka shruti. So that we already saw last time. Indo havai nama eshah yoyam dakshine akshan purushaha. So this shruti tatparyam is given here in Bhashya, third line. Indo दीप्ति गुणो वैश्वानर आदित्यांतर्गतो वैराज आत्मा चक्षुषी च द्रष्टा एकः. That Brahadaranyaka Shruti Tatparya is this, that Vaishwanara Adityantargato Vairajatma and Chakshushi Drashta Ekaha. Vaishwanara, which is actually Virat in Aditya. Adityantargato Vairajah. And Drashta in the eyes is the same. So this Chakshushi Drashta is Chandogya 8th chapter, Prajapati Vidya, what Prajapati Brahma indicated to Indra and Virochana, which we already saw. Indaha means Deepti Gunaha. Indha, from that word, it is Iddha Dhatu, Iddha Deeptau Dhatu, tells you the meaning there where there is brilliance, Deepti Gunaha. And Chakshushi Drashta. So the Chakshusha Purusha, what is otherwise known, is the same. Tika. Vairajasya Atmano Yathoktu Gunavatve api Drashtush Chakshushasya Kimaya. Kim ayatam, it should be. Takar is missing. Let me see. Kimayatam, takar is missing. Kimayatam iti ashankya aha. So vairajasya atmanah yathoktu gunavatve api. Let us say vairaja atma is of this nature. Drashtuhu chakshusasya kimayatam. What is the relation of that Virat Atma, which is Adityantargataha in the sun? What does it have to do with the Drashta, who is seeing through the eyes? This is the question. So the answer is given. Chakshushi cha drashta ekaha. The one who is the seer in the eyes is the same as that Virat Atma. Adhyatma adhidaivayor ekatvat adhidaiviko gunash chakshushe api adhyatmike sambhavati ityarthah. Adhyatma adhidaivayoho ekatvat. Adhyatma means this Virat Atma, and Adhidaiva means the one who is present in the individual Sharira, in the Vyashti Sharira. Yathoktu gunavatve api Daiviko gunash chakshushe api adhyatmike sambhavati. Because Adhyatma and Adhidaiva are one. This has been consistently pointed out from third mantra onwards. Adhyatma Adhidaivayoho ekatvat, because they are one. Adhidaiviko gunaha chakshushe api adhyatmike sambhavati. What is the guna in Adhidaivika is present in Adhyatma. It is possible. Now, on this there is going to be a long Purva-paksha discussion. Purva-paksha, because we ourselves feel that how that Hiranyagarbha is present in this individual body as drashta. How is that possible? So, this is where Vedanta sadhana is different from some other studies or sadhanas or other darshanas. Because in all other darshanas, they say you are individual, you do your sadhana, except Bahujivavada, you realize that you are whatever that is their realization. World is different from you, world is as it is, everything. This is how they teach. Vedanta says, no, there is only one Chaitanya. So if Hiranyagarbha is a Chaitanya with some upadhi, and you, the drashta, drashta means the drashta, shrota, manta, vijnata, that drashta, is experiencing anything, pramata, through different upadhi, but it is the same Chaitanya. So as long as the focus is on Chaitanya, there is only one. This you have to realize. This is Vedanta's realization. So in Vedanta, this part, what is there, is something that bothers all darshanas, including Sankhya Yoga. Forget about Nyaya Vaisheshika and all of them. They are outside only. Even Sankhya and Yoga sadhana, they have hard time accepting one Chaitanya, one Atma. The common man who doesn't do much thinking, obviously he will also have the same issue. So that's why this Purvapaksha has come. Bhashya. Nanu अन्यो हिरण्यगर्भः क्षेत्रज्ञो dakshino. Now you remember I had given some homework in the last class? Yes. What was the homework? So there is akshan shabda. Akshan shabda, saptami ekvachanam will become akshani. That is why, even though it is written akshini, but in the bracket akshani is given, which actually is supposed to be the part here if you take akshan shabda. But there could be some akshi shabda, which is what Bhashyakar has used in Bhashya. So then, according to that, Saptami Ekvachan will become Akshini. But I guess the more accurate part here we have to take using Akshan Shabda. So Akshani, Dakshino, Kshetrajno, Dakshino, Akshani, Akshnoho Niyanta. Akshnoho, what is Akshnoho? Akshnoho will be Shashti Dvivachanam. Two eyes. He is the drashta of the two eyes. Means drashta through the two eyes. So Akshani is Saptami Ekvachanam. Akshanoho Shashti Dvivachanam. Niyanta. Drashta. Cha Anyaha. So this Anyaha will go for all. Kshetrajnaha, Dakshinaha, Akshanyo, Akshnoho, Dakshinaha, Akshini, Akshnoho, Niyanta, Drashta, Deha Swami, Anyaha. Deha Swami means I am a great sadhaka, who whatever is your identity, I am different. And Hiranyagarbha is different. This is very clear, straightforward. This is how it is. This is the Purvapaksha. Tika. Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Prapanchabhimani Surya Mandalantargataha Sukshma Samashti Deho Lingatma Chakshur Golaka Anugata Indriya Anugrahakaha Samsarino Arthantaram. Samsarino Arthantaram means different from samsari. Who is different from samsari? Hiranyagarbha. This is Purvapaksha description. So Hiranyagarbha is Sukshma Prapancha Abhimani, Surya Mandala Antargataha. He is present in Surya Mandala. Sukshma Samashti Deho. Sukshma Samashti Deho. How will you do Vigraha of Sukshma Samashti Deho? Okay, Lingatma. How will you do Vigraha of Lingatma? लिंगः आत्मा यस्य सः लिंगात्मा. Linga means Sukshma Sharira. The one whose Atma means Swarupa. One whose Swarupa is Sukshma Sharira only is called Lingatma. Sukshma Samashti Deha. Sukshma Samashti is Deha. For whom? Sukshma Samashti Deha Yasya Saha Sukshma Samashti Deho or Dehaha Hiranyagarbha. So, Sukshma Prapancha Abhimani, Sukshma Samashti Deho, Lingatma, and Surya Mandala Antargataha, the one who is present in Surya Mandala. Remember, he is present everywhere. Surya Mandala word is used because Surya is most prominent for us. You know, if we remember science, Earth and all other planets that we know of, right? They all came out from sun. This is how it is said, that they all are like parts from sun. And that's why they revolve around this sun. And when people do, you know, their Navagraha and their Rahu and Ketu and Shani and Mangal and all, what they do is these 9 planets, their positions they take. They all are as if controlled by sun. So Surya is the Niyamaka. But not externally, because science doesn't know how this Niyamanam takes place. But we say in this way, Surya Mandalantargataha, Sukshma Prapancha Abhimani. He controls. Physically, you will not be able to know. And that Abhimani Devata, who presides over this Hiranyagarbha, alone is said to be this Drashta. But here Purvapakshi says, Chakshur Golaka Anugata Indriya Anugrahakaha. The one who is inside the Golaka, the one who presides over the Indriya is Samsari, is different, is Pramata. Now Viradatma. Viradatma api. Sthula Prapanchabhimani. See, Hiranyagarbha Sukshma Prapanchabhimani. Viradatma Sthula Prapanchabhimani. There it was said Surya Mandalantargataha. Here it is given Surya Mandalatmakaha. Because remember, Surya Mandala is Sthula. Surya Mandala Antargataha is Sukshma. Samashti Deha. There it was given Sukshma Samashti Deha. Here it is given only Samashti Deha, Viradatma. Samashti Dehascha, Samashti Deha, Chakshur Golaka Dvaya Anugrahakaha. Who is the Anugrahaka of Chakshuhu Golaka Dvaya? There what was given for Hiranyagarbha? Chakshur Golaka Anugata Indriya Anugrahaka. Here he is Golaka Dvaya Anugrahaka. You understood the difference between Golaka and Golaka Anugata Indriya. They are different. Maharaj Ji asked these questions many times. Is sense organ, Indriya, can Indriya become Vishaya of Indriya or not? Can Indriya become Vishaya of Indriya or not? Means not the same Indriya. Can my Indriya become Vishaya of your Indriya or not? So what is the answer? Answer is no. Answer is no. They cannot be. No, answer is no. Because what we are seeing is not other person's Indriya. What we are seeing is other person's Indriya Golaka. Indriya is in Sukshma Sharira. How can we see Sukshma Sharira? What we are seeing is only Sthula Vastu. So what we are seeing is Indriya Golaka. Huh? Correct. What we are seeing is only those indicators or apertures. So aperture can be there, but something may not be functioning behind it. That is also possible. चक्षुर्गोलकद्वय अनुग्राहकः ततः अर्थान्तरमेव. So they are different. Hiranyagarbha is different, Virat Atma is different, and what to talk of this samsari. Kshetrajnastu vyashti deho dakshine chakshushi vyavasthitah. Kshetrajna is vyashti deha. Vyashti deha means vyashti deha yasya saha vyashti deha. It is all Brahuvrihi samasa. So for Hiranyagarbha it was said Sukshma samashti deho. For Virat it is said samashti deha, and Kshetrajna is vyashti deha. Dakshine chakshushi vyavasthitah, the one who is in the right eye. Dakshine chakshushi vyavasthitah drashta. Chakshushoho karananam niyanta. चक्षुषोः is अक्ष्णोः इति व्याचष्टे चक्षुषोः. 1 number टिप्पणी. And karananam niyanta, so it is upalakshana. Why upalakshana? Because in the 3rd mantra, 4th mantra, it was said, 4th mantra you take for Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is ekonavimshati mukhaha. And now here it is said Dakshinakshi Mukhe. Dakshinaksha is the Mukham. The 19 mouths were there in this 3rd mantra, 4th mantra, and now you are saying only right eye is the Mukham. So this is Upalakshana. For all other 18 Mukha also. Chakshushoho Karananam Niyanta. Karya Karana Swami. He is the master of Deha and all Indriya Antakarana Samudaya. Tabhyam Samashti Dehabhyam Anyaha Abhyupagamyate. So Tabhyam Samashti Dehabhyam Anyaha. He is different from Samashti Deha. Kshetrajna is different. I am different. All of you are different. I am doing so much sadhana. I do so many things. You all are doing all these different things. This is how generally non-Vedantic sadhakas have such ideas, you know. Because Bahujiva Vada is strongly, not only Bahujiva, that there are many Chaitanyas. See, even in Vedanta, Bahujiva Vada does not say Bahu Chaitanya. We say Bahu Chaitanya Pratibimbaha. Chaitanya Pratibimba can be many. Chaitanya is one. But normally, people don't even think that there is something called Chaitanya, there is something called Chaitanya Pratibimba. And even if Pratibimbas are many, they are illusory. Real is Chaitanya. So even this distinction is not known. And people do sadhana. This is why it is said main sadhana is proper Shravanam. Even that if we cannot do, all other physical sadhana, they are good. But they all are done with the basic misunderstanding that I am different Chaitanya, all are different Chaitanyas, and I go on doing sadhana. So fundamental misunderstanding doesn't go. How much ever sadhana I do, without letting go of this wrong idea that there is only one Chaitanya, I will not reach anywhere. ताभ्याम समष्टि देहाभ्याम अन्यो अभ्युपगम्यते. So this kshetrajna is different from स्थूल समष्टि देह अभिमानी, सूक्ष्म समष्टि देह अभिमानी इत्यादि. तदेवं समष्टि व्यष्टित्वेन व्यवस्थित जीव भेदात् उक्तम एकत्वम अयुक्तम इत्यर्थः. And tadevam, so this being the case, tadevam sati, vyashti samashtittvena vyavasthita jiva bhedat. Vyashtitvena something is different, samashtittvena something is different. There is a bheda in this jiva, jiva bhedat. Uktam ekatvam, and you said ekatvam, one. This ekatvam, in the first shloka, first karika, that ekatva that you said, I could digest. Because there the ekatva was within waking dream, deep sleep. Ekatva, asangatva, and shuddhatva. So these three I can understand within Vishwa Tejas Prajna. Don't bring Hiranyagarbha and all. This is too confusing. Ayuktam ityartha. Siddhanti is answering, Kalpaniko jiva bhedo vastava va iti vikalpya adyam angikritya dvitiyam dushayati. Siddhanti creates vikalpa. Is the jiva bheda kalpanika or vastavika? If it is kalpanika, Ishtapatti, Siddha Sadhana, we also accept. And if you say, no, Jiva Bheda is Vastavika, then we will show defect in your thinking. Dushayati. So, Dvitiyam Dushayati. Adyam Angikritya. Accepting first view, second view is shown defective. Bhashya. Na. Swato Bheda anabhyupagamat. Swataha, there is no Bheda. In Chaitanya, there is no Bheda. Bheda is only in Upadhi. Tika. Eko hi paro devaha sarveshu bhuteshu samashtittvena vyashtitvena cha samavrutas tishtati iti श्रवणात् वस्तुतो भेदो नास्ति इति उक्तम हेतुम साधयति. सर्वेषु भूतेषु, in all beings, समष्टित्वेन व्यष्टित्वेन च समावृतः. सम्यक आवृतः means he is presiding. समावृतः तिष्ठति. The Samavritah tishtati because this is there in some shloka in Bhagavad Gita. That's why in 13th chapter it is given. इति श्रवणात् वस्तुतो भेदो नास्ति इति उक्तम हेतुम साधयति. Vastutah there is no bheda. So then they say, what are you talking? That I am different, Hiranyagarbha is different. You are saying Vastutah there is no bheda. You mean to say I am one with that Paramatma. So where is your focus? What is it that you want to explain or achieve? If I want to show that my body has some features, some guna dosha, so they are there in the samashti sharira. So if your focus is on sharira, they are different. If your focus is on Chaitanya, they are one. Vasutah bhedo nasti iti uktam hetum sadhayati ekah. Eko devah sarva bhuteshu gudaha. Now you will see Anand Giriji will write, he will read the next sentence in Bhashya, then accordingly he will write and then he will set it up for the next line in Bhashya. That is how the pratika is given. So, before writing Eka iti, Eko hi paro devaha, that Eko deva sarva bhuteshu gudaha, that gudha is samavritaha. As if he is hiding. Hiding means what? Really Paramatma cannot hide. Chaitanya Swarupa. But whenever it is said, Avihi sannihitam guhayam, guhayam pravishta, buddhi guhayam. So that the guha shabda is used because our attention is on sthula vastu, sthula prapancha, sthula vishayas. That's why Paramatma remains hidden. And that's why we need so many reminders and repeated studies. Then our focus is there. Otherwise we lose that focus. Eka iti. Sarveshu kshetreshu vyavasthitam mam ishwaram. Anuswara is missing. Ishwaram vidhi iti bhagavato vachanach. Sarveshu kshetreshu, in all kshetra, Arjuna, there vyavasthitam means presiding. Mam vidhi, mam ishwaram, I am in all. Iti bhagavato vachanacha tatvika bheda asiddhi ityaha. Bhagavan, because he said in this way, therefore there is no tatvika bheda. Where Bhagavan has said, Bhashyakar said, I will tell you. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata. Then second line. Is that the line of that shloka? There are two different shlokas. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharat. Not 13.1, this is 13.2. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata. Kshetra kshetrajna yor jnanam yattad jnanam matam mama. So there Bhagavan has said, I am kshetrajna. Ishvara is kshetrajna. Kshetrajna is the one who knows kshetra. Kshetram janati iti kshetrajna. That kshetrajna I am means I am the one who knows all those bodies. I am the one who is seeing through those eyes, who is hearing through those ears. That Kshetrajna I am. I am the one who is talking through that equipment. And I am the one who is listening through same equipment and other sets of equipments also. This is Kshetrajna. So really speaking, what is coming in between me and my realization is this abhimana, that I am different. I am experiencer. This notion, this is called abhimana. This we are not able to let go because we think this is who I am. When Bhagavan says, no, that is me. And not only in any one kshetra, sarva kshetreshu bharata, in all kshetras. That's why to explain this aspect only, Bhashyakar wrote some 23 pages of Bhashya. For this purpose only. And of course, Purva-Pakshi also will go in all tangents. There is one question asked by Purva-Pakshi. So, where is avidya? In whom is this avidya? If you say Kshetrajna is Paramatma, Paramatma cannot have avidya. And Jivatma, different from Paramatma, you are not accepting. Then who has avidya? What is Bhashyakara's answer? Anybody remembers? Nice answer is given. He said the one who says he has avidya has avidya. We don't say it is here or there. You are saying you are ignorant. Yaha pruchati tasyeva avidya. The one who is asking, that person says avidya. And then he said that somebody who does not study from parampara, murkhavad upekshaniya. If they are not in parampara, you just drop them. So that bhashya is eye-opener. Lot of points are given there. And the second line says, avibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam iva cha sthitam. Then bhuta bhartra cha tadnyayam grasishnu prabhavishnu cha. So even though it is avibhaktam chaitanyam, vibhaktam iva sthitam bhuteshu. See tika now. सर्वेषु भूतेषु क्षेत्रज्ञश्चेत् आत्मा एकः. In all beings, क्षेत्रज्ञ आत्मा एकः. कथं तर्हि प्रतिभूतं भेद प्रथा इति आशंक्य आह. Then why in every being I think there is something different? Bheda buddhi, how come it is there in each being? Cow and monkey and donkey and dog and cat and mosquitoes, in every being there is this bheda buddhi so strong. अविभक्तं च भूतेषु विभक्तं इव च स्थितम्. तत्वतो अविभागे अपि देहकल्पनया भेदधीः इत्यर्थः. तत्वतः अविभाग. So in essence there is no distinction. But dehakalpanaya bheda buddhi. Bheda buddhi is there from deha standpoint. Nanu iti smrute. So this part is over. Nanu करणेषु सर्वेषु विश्वस्य अविशेषात् न दक्षिणे चक्षुषि विशेष निर्देशो युज्यते. Somebody else is asking. So actually this is the first mukhya purvapaksha in our head. This is what bothers us. I am not able to get into this thinking that even when I see many bodies of varieties, somebody sukhi, somebody dukhi, somebody samskrita, another is asamskrita ityadi, that Atma is one. So this will happen only when my attention is on Atma. If I am very much focused on person, body, sense organs, mind, etc., ekatva buddhi will never come. So this is our main viparita bhavana. Other Purva Paksha is easier, the next one. Nanu Karaneshu Sarveshu Vishwasya Avisheshat. In all Karana, Vishwa is present. Then why you had to say in the right eye only, Na Dakshine Chakshushi Vishesha Nirdesho Yujyate. To show that he is in the right eye, this Nirdesha, this indication is not justified. Na Yujyate. Yadyapi, so now explanation is given. Yadyapi karanantarebhyas chakshushi pradhanyam uktam. Tathapi nartho dakshina visheshanena iti tatraha. Even though compared to other indriyas, other karanas, faculties, karanantarebhyah chakshushi pradhanyam. In the eyes, there is pradhanata. That is indicated. Uktam. Tathapi na artho dakshina visheshanena iti. But there is no specific purpose served as such by showing dakshina visheshana. So that is given here in Bhashya. Sarveshu karaneshu avisheshe api. All karanas are same. Dakshina akshani upalabdhi patava darshanat. Upalabdhi patava, last time I had explained that because most vyavahar is through chakshurindriya. But that doesn't mean if somebody is blind, then where is he? There is no Hiranyagarbha expressing there. If somebody is blind, then that organ is not functioning. Some other organ is there. So he will function through that organ. They say blind people can hear they are very sharp in hearing. Some other faculty will be more powerful. So patava, upalabdhi patava darshana, patavam patuta. There is more fineness in grasping things in the right eye. Some people have left eye more powerful. You take any one location where your maximum vyavahar is focused. So our vyavahar is focused through the eyes, and most of us, we are righty, right-handed people. So that's why Dakshinaksha. So all our right equipments are more, like we use our right hand for most things, you know, anything you have to grab, we just use right hand. उपलब्धि पाठव दर्शनात् तत्र विशेषेण निर्देशो विश्वस्य. विश्व is visheshena nirdishtaha, so specifically that nirdesha is done. टीका श्रुत्यनुभवाभ्याम निर्देश विशेष सिद्धिरित्यर्थः. Through Shruti and Anubhava, this निर्देश विशेष can be justified. यद्यपि देह देश भेदे विश्व अनुभूयते तथापि कथम जागरिते तैजसो अनुभूयते इति आशंक्य द्वितीयं पादं व्याचष्टे. सो फर्स्ट प्रथम पाद व्याख्या ऑफ द कारिका इज डन. दक्षिणाक्षी मुखे विश्वः. विश्व is in the right eye, and on the strength of that Brahadaranyaka Shruti, you will note in the third mantra, when the Saptanga part was to be explained, Brahadaranyaka and Chandogya Shruti was quoted actually. Chandogya Shruti. Vaishvanara Vidya is there in Chandogya. And here Brahadaranyaka is quoted. And later also, some or the other quotations, references will come from these Upanishads. So what I am trying to point out is that in Brahadaranyaka, all these karikas which are written, not in Brahadaranyaka, in Mandukya, all the karikas which are there, they use teaching from other Upanishads, primarily Chandogya and Brahadaranyaka. Chandogya 8th chapter uses Avasthatraya Viveka. And in Brahadaranyaka, the 4th chapter, 3rd and 4th section, they also use Avasthatraya Viveka. So those parts are used, and wherever there is lot of elaborate bhashya, whatever is explained, that of course is useful for us. Mandukya karikas are only based on those mantras, because when Gaudapadacharya wrote all these, there was no bhashya. Maybe there was bhashya by other commentators. He might have used it, may not have used. So now it is said, Vishwa is there, Deha Desha Bhede, means in one Desha, in that Deha, Dakshinaksha. That is the Tippani. Deha Desha Bhede Vishwa Anubhuyate, in the right eye. Tathapi, how in the waking state Taijasa also experience. Jagarite Taijaso Katham Anubhuyate iti ashankya dvitiyam padam vyachashte. Dakshinati. Dakshinakshigato rupam drishtva. Now you see how he explains. Dakshinaakshigataha rupam drishtva. Whatever rupa that has come in the right eye, let us say. So you experience, or let us say a blind person, with his touch, he figured something, he touched something, he grasped that object through the eyes or whatever. Now the samskaras have already come. Then Nimilita Akshaha closed his eyes. With his eyes closed, Tadeva Smaran, remembering that, Manasi Antaha, in his mind, Swapna Iva, means Swapne Iva, Tadeva Vasana Rupa Abhivyaktam Pashyati. Now he sees, he is in waking only, He is just going through that same experience. And he is enjoying. This is, now he is in Taijasa Avastha. He is remembering something which he has experienced. And yatha atra tatha swapne. How he is doing here? Same thing he does in swapna. See in Tika. यथा स्वप्ने जागरित वासना रूपेण अभिव्यक्तम अर्थजातम द्रष्टा अनुभवति तथैव जागरिते दक्षिणे चक्षुषी द्रष्टृत्वेन व्यवस्थितः सन्निकृष्टं रूपं दृष्ट्वा पुनर्निमीलित अक्षो दृष्टमेव रूपं रूपोपलब्धिजनित समुद्बुद्ध वासनात्मना मनस्यंतर अभिव्यक्तम स्मरन विश्व तैजसो भवति. स्मरन विश्व तैजसो भवति. जस्ट एज इन ड्रीम यथा स्वप्ने जागरित वासना रूपेण अभिव्यक्तम अर्थजातम. Whatever vasanas I have gathered from waking state, जागृत वासना रूपेण अभिव्यक्तम अर्थजातम द्रष्टा अनुभवति. Drashta experiences all of that. Tathaiva jagarite dakshine chakshushi. In the waking, in the right eye, drashtratvena vyavasthita. Sitting there as drashta. So, as if drashta has come there in the right eye, is looking everywhere, grasps something. Sannikrishtam rupam drashtva. इंद्रियार्थ सन्निकर्ष ज्ञानम प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञानम took place. In Tarka Sangraha, what is the definition for pratyaksha karana? Pratyaksha karana is also there anyway. And then there is pratyaksha vishaya. Pratyaksha vishaya is only pratyaksha jnana vishaya is called pratyaksha vishaya. Gauna prayoga. सन्निकृष्टम रूपम दृष्ट्वा पुनः निमीलित अक्षो दृष्टमेव रूपम रूपोपलब्धि जनित समुद्बुद्ध वासनात्मना. With his eyes closed, निमीलित अक्षः दृष्टमेव रूपम, what he already saw, रूपोपलब्धि जनित समुद्बुद्ध वासनात्मना. Those vasanas, they become manifest again, samudbuddha. Buddha. Because if that doesn't happen, then he can't go in Taijasa in waking. Those impressions should come back. Vasanatmana manasi antaha abhivyaktam. In his mind, what is manifest, manasi antaha abhivyaktam, smaran, vishwaha eva Taijaso bhavati. That Vishwa alone becomes Taijasa. When he is experiencing something outside is Vishwa. As soon as he withdraws, he is Taijasa. Taijaso bhavati. Tathacha tayoho bhedashanka navakashavati ityarthaha. Tayoho bhed ashanka na avakashavati. There is no room for this bheda in them. Swapna jagaritayoho vilakshanatvāt द्रष्टोः विश्वतैजसयोरपि वैलक्षण्यम् उचितम् इति आशङ्क्याः यथा स्वप्ने, यथा अत्र तथा स्वप्ने. So somebody may say that Swapna and Jagar, they are vilakshana, they are different, and therefore their drashta also will be different. Tad drashtoho vishwatajasayorapi vailakshanyam. So that drashta is vilakshana only because we take into consideration the avastha, not by itself. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः.